Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today's gonna be fall. I never seen this one, but looks really good. Woodpecker Christmas one. It does say holiday, but I'm just gonna call it Christmas. But I will put all this in the title. Like I told you guys, I never seen this. It looks good. I'm gonna see it soon. Here's your front. Here's your spine. Nice cover. I love the little snows. And the back. Not weighted. 1 hour and 23 minutes on. So it's not one there's 25 minutes on. It's 1 hour and 23 minutes on. 23. So it's a Christmas special. So I think this is a movie. TV episodes. The disc will probably be what it's by. Here's the studios. So I won't have anything nice on it. All we know is when it comes to like dancing or something like that. When did this cover come out? This cover came out in 2016, so I don't know. It might have good artwork, it might not. Okay, so here's the front then. Now you can finally see it good. See, I love that little snow and all that. Spine again in the back. Oh, it's a white disc. Well, mostly all these new cool little things are red. But here's the disc. It is red. Nothing really cool. I wish they put him on it. They do this for like Shrek and Rudolph doing this right now for Snowman. And Santa Claus is coming to town and all those specials. Just thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day and tonight. I'll see you in my next video. Later on will be 31 nights of Halloween movie. Episode 30. No, 29, I think. Bye.